Hello guys, today I'm going to unbox eufy X10 Pro Omni robot vacuum cleaner. I'm going to show the box and every details on it so you can see the properties of the vacuum. This vacuum has an advanced AI system that helps to scan the rooms and everywhere in the building, and then after scanning everywhere it starts to do the cleaning. One of the good features that helped me to select this vacuum over the other vacuums was the good price during the Black Friday, and also it has the feature to recognize the carpet and avoid mopping the carpet. Also it has the self-cleaning feature, which clean the mops after cleaning the floor, and also dry it with hot air. It has two tanks, one for clean water and one for dirty water, and also it has a vacuum bag inside the station that empty the vacuum dustbin after finishing the work. Before buying this, I watched several reviews on YouTube, and everyone seems to be very satisfied from this robot vacuum cleaner, so I decided to buy it. This is the rotting mop that mops the floor, and it's doing good job because you can set the wetness of mop during the mopping. And this is the vacuum part. It has some sensors to recognize the carpet, and this is a plastic ramp that helps vacuum to go to the station for charging and also cleaning the mops. The front tank is for clean water and the back tank is for dirty water. I recommend to empty the dirty water after every use because it might create very bad smell inside the tank if you don't clean it every time. And this is the door for dustbin. So after moving back to the station, all the dusts move to this bin. As you can see, you can take out the clean water tank and also dirty water tank easily from the station, and it's very convenient. This is the dustbin bag place. The only thing that I didn't like about this vacuum cleaner was this dust bag, because I prefer the reusable dustbins instead of dust bag. This is the AIC label that shows that this vacuum can recognize objects around with the radar system and also with this camera in front of the vacuum. The vacuum mainly controlled by the mobile app, but it also has 3 buttons on top of it, including the home button that you can send vacuum to the home station anytime by pressing it. Let's test the vacuum. I think it can clean the floor very well, but when you have many objects on floor, it just takes more time for the vacuum to avoid all these objects and clean the floor. But in general, it's a very good machine for your home. Please, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and also like this video. Thank you very much.